Welcome back. Continuing the news. While food poisoning can be an uncomfortable experience, the good news is that most cases are temporary and can be managed at home. Shamela Pullen explains in this week's Health Report.
Food poisoning happens when you eat contaminated food containing bacteria, viruses, parasites, or fungi. It is a common condition that affects millions of people worldwide yearly.
Food poisoning often results in nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain. Severe symptoms will include blood in the stool and fever in excess of 102 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 39 degrees centigrade. Circulatory collapse, meaning the person now becomes lethargic, unable to stand, may even get blurred vision.
The condition can lead to complications such as dehydration, organ failure, or even death. The elderly, children, pregnant women, and persons with a weakened immune system are more likely to get severe food poisoning.
You want to ensure rehydration, so you want to take fluids, and these fluids would be bland fluids, water, coconut water, diluted fruit juices. You can have some of the sports drinks, those are fine. As a rule, you want to avoid medication which stop the diarrhea, because very often that will convert something simple into something far more complex. If there is fever, you want to manage the fever and pay attention to the length of time that this is going.
And if the diarrhea continues for 3 days or more, persons need to seek medical attention. To prevent food poisoning, one must pay close attention to food storage and cooking practices.
So the first thing is really to ensure that whatever you're eating is properly cooked or properly stored. In the case of fresh vegetables, that they're adequately washed. There are some well-known culprits that will give you food poisoning: meats, poultry, shellfish, raw vegetables, again, if not adequately washed. So these are the things to look out for.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.